Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about some stuff I got from Mayhew, Olsa, and a couple other things. So let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, I got the two-piece mini pry bar set from Mayhew. Those things are cool. And I got 6 more of those. And I got some Wobble extensions from Olsa. So let me get, and a couple other things, but let me get these packages opened and show you a little bit better. Okay, first thing that I didn't show you already. Rubber grease. Now this is not for brakes and stuff. This is for like if you're rebuilding calipers or master cylinders or stuff like that, or the rubber, like you got rubber boots on motorcycles. You got rubber boots covering up the cables and whatnot. It's to lubricate that stuff for when you're installing it. I mean, because technically they say you're not supposed to use regular grease. Alright, next up, I mean, I'm sure it said on here somewhere, I thought. Anyway, I'm sure everybody's seen this stuff, used it. I haven't used it in a long time, but I ran across it the other day on Amazon, and I was like, oh, I think I'll get me another tub of that stuff. Anyway, next up is, everybody knows what this stuff is. Brake lubricant, brake parts. It's the purple. I got some over there that's not the purple. I don't really like it, so I got some more of the purple. Okay, next up, I'm not going to open all these up out of the little packages mentioned in the other video where I installed these on the air tools, that they came in these stupid little bags. But anyway, I got 6 more. I think I needed either 4 or 5 more. Like I mentioned in the other video, I didn't think I got enough of them, but I got enough of them now. So it's the swivels for your air tools. Alright, crap. I'll get one out of the bag and show you. I know I've already showed you this. Let me wipe all this stupid oil off. Here's what it is. Here we go. I think I even did a short video of putting Teflon tape on it. Anyway, that goes into the air tool. Air fitting goes in there and it swivels. They seem to be pretty good. They swivel good even when you had the air turned on or plugged into air. I thought maybe it might tighten up a lot and not swivel good, but it don't. It still swivels good, you know, from the air pressure. I don't know how long they're going to last, if you can even rebuild them with O-rings or whatever. You can take them apart, but who knows? Might be just as cheap just to get 6 more. Anyway, that's that. Next up, mini pry bars. Can you see that? At least I hope you can. And I think that's the part number on it, on this one, but it's the straight one. Now I have to say, in fact, I just used this a minute ago. It's a lot smaller than I expected it to be. Not necessarily the handle, but the metal. But it's strong, you know. It's Mayhew quality. It's great stuff. This is the main reason I got it. See that? You see that angle on that? Why is that not focusing? Oh well, I don't know if it's focusing on it or not. I think I need to take that setting off my camera where it focuses on your face. But anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. Definitely gonna come in handy. I think this was like 20 bucks for both of them. Not too bad, I guess. They're not necessarily pocket because they don't have no clip or anything on them. And of course they don't have a magnet, which I don't care about the magnets on the screwdrivers, but whatever. All right, next up is the Olsa extensions. Now this comes with, looks like 3 1/2 inch, 3 3/8, and 3/4 inch. Now these are, this says dual function wobble extensions. It's wobble and regular. In other words, it's basically what Snap-on calls Wobble Plus. Put it to here, the socket to here, it's wobble. If you put it all the way to here, it's just like a regular extension. I guess you can see that. That's why I used the 1/2 inch one to show you. Now, Olsa Tools did not send me these. This is not a sponsored video. I actually bought these. They look pretty good so far. Let me show you the longest 3/8. They're all the same, like the Wobble Plus. I like that it's got some knurling on it right there. That's pretty cool. And here's your 1/4 inch. And it has the knurling on it in the center too. Okay, as I was saying, this is the 3 or the 1/4 inch. Wow, it really ain't wanting to focus on that one, is it? I'll see if I can hold it. It comes in a tray. See if I can hold it up where you can see it without dumping them in the floor, right? See if I can tip this camera down a little bit. Half inch. A little short one, and then this is 3/8. These are the 1/4 inch. And of course it says Olsa Tools on it. We'll see how they work out. Looks like that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.